Hello, let's go ahead and make some steak and cheese sub. So for that, we have my favorite store, Trader Joe's shaved steak. We're going to actually marinate 2 packages. Each of them is about a pound. So 2 pounds of shaved steak. You can purchase it from Safeway or any other grocery store. A little bit expensive, but you can find it. But if you don't have any shaved steak, if you can't find any, do not worry about it. Buy some steak from any store and then freeze it halfway. And then once it's a little bit frozen, you can slice it thin. That's how you're gonna make it. Okay. So let's go ahead and, oh, by the way, Trader Joe's shaved steak is $10.99 per pound. I found it Safeway was like $15 shaved steak. Obviously, it depends on where you live. The price is gonna vary. For this steak, you need 3/4 cup of water, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. I have low sodium soy sauce. If you happen to have just the regular soy sauce, then use about 1 tablespoon less. And 1 tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Sesame seed oil. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And then we're going to pour this into a blender. About this much of onion. Okay, I'm going to mix it a little bit. Okay, that's good. Let's go ahead and start making it. I'm gonna get some oil. That 2 packages of meat, Trader Joe's meat, is going to make about 6 to 7 nice, big, rich steak and cheese. Or you can stretch it up to 8. Depends on how much meat you like. I'm going to make about 6 to 7 sandwich with this meat. The leftover meat, you can either put it into individual small sandwich bag and put it in the freezer. And the day before you use it, you can take it out and put it in your fridge and defrost it. Or if you're going to use it tomorrow, you can just cover this and then you can put it in your fridge and then use it today, tonight, even tomorrow. That's fine. Okay, let's go ahead and toast the bread while that meat is getting cooked. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just breaking the meat. I'm just making it in smaller pieces so it's easier to chew and eat on them. Okay, I'm going to put the meat on the side a little bit. This is almost done, not quite. I'm going to add some pepper and mushroom and onion. Get a little bit of oil in my skillet. Cook the onion first. Let's add some pepper. I'm gonna add meat. Okay, let's add the cheese. Okay, now cheese is melting nicely. Just gonna put this on the side here. Let's put some mayonnaise. A little bit of lettuce. Tomatoes. Now we're going to add the meat. All right, here's your steak and cheese sub. Super rich. Let's go ahead and close this up. Here's the bottom. There you go. Let's push it in there a little more. Here we go. Here's the steak and cheese sandwich. This is mouth-watering. All right, let's go ahead and taste it. Very nice and tender meat. It's very delicious. Okay, that huge sandwich I made costed me $6.50. Assuming you're going to make 6 of those. And obviously you can make less meat and make more sandwich.